This video is going to show you how to draw electron arrangement. So I've put a couple of points up here. First of all, you need to locate your element on page 6 of the data book, which looks like that. Then also note you draw one shell at a time, starting from the inner shell, which is discussed in the PowerPoint. A comma is used to separate shells. So you'll see here, commas. So this one has 2 shells. First shell, inner shell, has 2 electrons. The second shell has 4. Electrons are filled one at a time, which will make sense in a wee second. So I'm going to do chlorine first. So there's 4 things I'm going to find out about chlorine from page 6. So chlorine is here. So you'll see its symbol is Cl. Its atomic number, which if you use the key on the page is the top section, is 17. We learned previously that atomic number equals protons, which equals electrons, so electrons are also 17. And electron arrangement is 2, 8, 7, so 287. So I've written all that down, and what we need to do is draw chlorine's electron arrangement. Now it looks pretty easy, but actually there is a method to it. So I usually start by writing down the symbol, so chlorine, then I draw a circle around it to represent the first shell. Now 287, that tells you how many electrons in each shell, as we discussed. So there's going to be 3 shells altogether. First shell, inner shell, has 2. Now we do 1 at the top and 1 at the bottom. Then we go on to our next shell, which is the second shell. We want 8 electrons. Now this is where it's different. Now you learned before that the second shell can only have 8 electrons in it anyway, so that's why it stops at 8. There's a certain way to fill it, which will show you that it is full. So the top part is where you start. So we put 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go back round again. 5, 6, 7, 8. So I went round twice. First time's just setting them in their place. Next time is pairing them up. So you can do 1 at a time, and it is a bit like going round the sections of a clock, so like 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Then I've filled them all up, they're all paired, so I go on to my next shell, which is going to have 7 in total. So next shell, sorry about my circles. So again, start up here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I should end up with the one over here unpaired. Now it will vary depending on which element you're doing, which one will be unpaired. Sometimes you'll get more than one unpaired, just left itself. Other times you won't even use this area, it just depends. Now I don't need to draw any more shells because I'm finished. You only need to draw the number that you need. Okay.